Still struggling with unreliable blue roll? Simplify your workflow process with Lindström's estimate tool. Quick, easy, and designed to fit your garage's needs perfectly. Making life easier with rental wiper service. Order yours with Lindström estimate tool. Getting started with Lindström's estimate tool is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Let's show you how. First, choose the services your garage needs. From high-quality wiper cloths to absorption mats that handle spills and keep your workspace safe, we've got you covered. Next, generate your personalized estimate to instantly see how Lindström's service saves you money, making waste management simple. Then, enter a few quick details about your garage. We've made it simple, so you can complete this in under a minute. You can quickly add additional services based on your needs. Finally, place your order, and we'll take care of the rest. With timely deliveries and waste pickup, keeping your garage clean has never been easier.